Yeah, guys, I just got done cutting the yard, and it's soaking wet in out here. I'm soaking wet. See? It's all good though. Soaking wet. I mean, it's literally raining, and my mower's still running. So, yeah, guys, it's part of it. Soaking wet. So, yeah. All right, guys. So look, it is soaking wet. Look at these yards out here, though. Like everybody out here. Look at that. Everybody out here needs their yard cut. Like something ridiculous. She got a Lexus and they got a Cadillac in the driveway, but yet they ain't getting the yard cut. Look at this. I mean, that is crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, man, like I am literally soaked. Like my thing, this right here is soaking wet. I mean, I was out in the rain. Like I literally got soaked and wet. Like for real, for real. I am covered from head to toe in water. It is ridiculous. See, look. I mean, and it just came out of nowhere. Just random, you know, was hot and feeling good and such, and then all of a sudden it got breezy and cool, and I looked up and it was windy, and next thing you know, I started feeling little drops, and by the time I got to the gate, it was already coming down full strong. So, I had a couple more yards to do today, but I guess I'll just have to knock them out tomorrow. All my yards, most of my yards, I mean, I'd say 70% of all my yards are actually all in the same area. All in this area right over here. This is where I got the gas station, and I got about 6 or 7 houses on the same street. And so yeah, there's the gas station right there. So that's where the gas station is. I cut all that right over there. And then literally, see, that's where the gas station is. Then if you drive right over here and up this street right here, this is the street where I have all my other 4 or 5 regulars, you know, that are on a fixed income, and they just live right on this road right here. And then that was just from the house where I was just at. They're, you know, they are really just a few minutes away from one another. Yeah, that's how people do. They just back up in front of you. No big deal. So yeah, you know, so I cut that one. And that one, and that one, and that one. I actually got 1, 2, about 4 more in this neighborhood. Or so. Look at this. This is crazy. This always shocks me. This guy right here, look at that yard. I mean, like, look at that. That's crazy. Look at that. Like, for real? I mean, that's crazy. Yeah, but see, everybody in this neighborhood, like, no one, I mean, hardly anyone cuts their yard like that. I mean, most of these people, like, they just don't. It's just not that serious for them. I mean, they'll get it cut when they get it cut, you know. See, look at this. I mean, look at that yard. I mean, this yard right here. I mean, you can put flyers on every one of these houses and say you're going to charge them $10, and it's still going to be more than a lot of these people are willing to pay. I mean, look at that. It's crazy. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is like 10 houses I done seen just while I've been filming. Look at that. And look at their neighbor's yard. Doesn't make any sense. They shut the door on me, but fuck them. You should cut the damn yard. I mean, this is, you know, like I don't even pass flyers out here. I used to. But like I said, I mean, it's just a waste of time. I mean, nobody out here wants to get their yard cut. I mean, there's just too many. I mean, there's too many people out here that neglect their yards. And then when you would show up, they're still gonna want that $15 or $20 yard cut, you know. But you break your balls, break your back for some chump change. You know, look at this. I mean, it's like if your yard looks like this, you don't care about it anyway. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not one to judge someone's yard. Like, I mean, putting in your yard, it's your yard. You pay the rent, you pay the bills. Like, it's your house. Do what you want to do to it. But I mean, this shit right there. I mean, at least it's neat though. You know, at least it's neat. You'd be surprised. Some of these houses look like nothing or look like crap. So, you know. Ugh. See if I can do this in doing a turnabout. We'll do another drive-by. I might pass out a few flyers. I mean, but you know, I just don't get it. I just don't get it, guys. But anyway, I guess I'll just make this a video that I'm just gonna have and upload. Anyway, like I said, I was out in the rain. I got soaking wet. You know, I'm just trying to scout another yard or two. You know, somebody's got some cash right now. I'm gonna buy me some dinner. If not, I gotta go home and cook something or eat my wife's cooking. Yep. I don't get it. But to each his own, whatever they like, whatever floats their boat. Whatever floats their boat. You know. I don't really care. Business. Anyway, so I just got done cutting some yards out this way. Oh, there's the yard again. There's that street right there. Alrighty, guys. Catch you on the flip side.